Farming Empress. Today our birds have made 11 weeks and we are vaccinating FOWL POX, as you can see. This disease, like we had told you earlier, amongst the clear diseases of chickens, it is a very dangerous one. And when not vaccinated, your birds can develop wounds on the cobs, on the legs, on the neck for those that do not have feathers on their head, and they can easily die. And it can also affect egg production. So we urge all the farmers that ensure that in your vaccination schedule you do vaccinate FOWL POX. This is how it is done. It is done under a wing of the bird. And after here, we shall be vaccinating for typhoid. We shall keep you updated. If you have not subscribed, please do so that we continue updating you. Thank you.